Hello, I'm Neil Lewis from Ynys Igar, live in Abergwili, Carmarthen. We spent a long time deciding to decarbonise our heating and hot water system, and now we're delighted to be running a heat pump for the last 2 years. We finally went for it, and we've never looked back. It's been such a joy. It's far superior to the old oil boiler. The benefits of installing a heat pump have been endless. It's cheaper to run, it's more convenient to run. We're saving so much money. So when I have a bath after I've had a cycle or a run, I'm sitting there in really hot water thinking, this came from the air outside. It's just astonishing that nothing's been burnt. There's no air quality issues, there's no cost issues. It's basically been running off the solar panels, so I'm getting a free bath. At the end of the day, you don't want the fossil fuels, you want the heat, you want the hot water. You can get the heat from your surroundings in a renewable way. If someone's thinking about getting a heat pump, have the confidence and just go for it. You won't regret it.